Good evening. Hi, Jackie. It's Tuesday, 11 p.m., January 27th, 2015. Unfortunately, I am not able to give a full market analysis for the day because, as you can see, today is the 27th on the daily, and the date that disappears when I get to it right here, the candlesticks, that has all the information on that line. But yeah, so the 27th is it's not working out here. On the 5, like, look at this one. Here's what day is this? It's the 26th. No, it's not the 26th. It's the 27th. So this isn't working out too well. The only chart that ends up giving me any type of action is the 15, and that's only on the 2-day. It doesn't work on the 12. As you can see, that's the 26th. So it's bad for business for me. Very bad for business. And then when I get back to the 2 days, and suddenly it's gone again. So I don't know. This is weird. I don't know what to do. So basically I just maybe I'll go over my UVXY trades with you so you can see what happened today. Can I? No. Oh, so I can't show you today's UVXY chart. Okay, great. Well, apart from the charts being completely and utterly useless tonight, these were my executions today. I just dressed myself in and out that box position, the 200 long short I had on the UVXY, and I got into it again. But yeah, basically I was long UVXY for like 3 minutes in the morning, and then at the end of that 3 minutes, for a small loss, I sold 200 of those UVXY shares, putting me long the market, short UVXY 100 shares, and that was for 16 minutes. And it was a pretty good, small 16 minutes. You get a 200, 100 share profit on that. So I was just making up for this little loss right here. Kind of, it was 35 cents. So I ended up neutralizing myself with that trade. And I was in the box 100 short and 100 long UVXY until 10:32 rolled around. This morning I sold short another 100 UVXY, and then I got out of that buy that I bought at 24.94. I sold that at 25.50, and was then again short UVXY 200. So yeah, sold short. So sold 200. Sold short at 10:36. 100 at 25.50. So short 200 till 25.07 until I bought 100, and then I solidified that an hour later at a little bit lower of a price, pretty much the same. But I thought prices were going to end up differently in UVXY. But yeah, that was pretty much the trading activity for the day. And it was a very hairy day. You can see what the VIX did. The VIX popped up considerably. That's a hard word to say at this time of the evening. But yeah, we rose to the midsection of that Bollinger Band, found resistance, um, and closed right below the high of the day. Right above, excuse me, right above the high of yesterday's high. But yeah, we closed down here yesterday, so I really wish I could show you what UVXY prices did today. As you can see, you know, the VIX today is the 27th. Let's see if it works out here. 5 minutes. Alright, so it works here. Maybe it'll work on this chart. Let me get the specs out over here. Nah, still the 26th. So yeah, I can't do anything. Alright, guys. Well, anyways, those are my trades for the day. I'm really sorry I can't show you guys anymore, but I just wanted to make sure I do a video every night. So I am definitely not trying to not document this, because whether I'm going to realize it or not, documenting this is going to teach me more about my mistakes and my strengths, and how to improve on my trading here. So yeah, maybe I'll just tell you a little story about my trading. You guys don't want to hear that though. I mean, I got into trading in 2005, and I was watching Ron Walker, the chart pattern trader, for a long time before he started having his paid channel. You had to subscribe, and I've been analyzing charts on stock charts and these charts for a long time now, and watching the ticks since 2005. And when I say watching ticks, I mean from 6:30 a.m. until 1 p.m. Pacific Coast time. I am watching these prices and analyzing these charts. But I can't do that for you guys tonight. I'm really, really sorry about that. I mean, maybe on the one, I mean, you can see prices today gap down in the SPX, and then 1044 was a good spot to just have it a nice swing trade for the day and see where resistance ended up. But there were so many points on the way up. My new thing with buying these bottoms is I usually end up getting shaken out right around these types of moves, these sideways moves, the easiest moves on something that moves up, but at the same time, these sideways moves are having these resistance levels, as always. They're always going to have these resistance levels, but yeah, this move right here is where I got shaken out of my long position. I think it was 1236, yeah. So, the measured move from this support was definitely, I mean, you couldn't say that it would be here, here, or here, or here. It was very arbitrary. It was hard to say, you know. So I just got out. I knew that was going to happen, so that's what I did. But if I held on to it obviously longer, it would have happened. And as you can see, prices started falling from one of these sideways action movements. I mean, that's how it's going to either happen. It's going to happen either prices are moving sideways or petering out. But that happened at that resistance level way back where I can't even show it to you because I can't get out the correct timeline on the chart, unfortunately. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. Um, hmm. Have a great evening, everybody. Um, yeah, this is so bad for business. I'm kind of at a loss right here what to do. Probably just go on stock charts and do analyzation there, but I didn't want to do it on right now on the video. So have a great night, and I'll let you know what happens with my positions tomorrow. Okay, good night.